So hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Pixel Rush Gaming. So today I will be showing you how to download Tiles Survive, which is a game right here. It's Tiles Survive. Now Tiles Survive is available for PC also, guys. So first what you have to do is open your Chrome, like whatever Chrome that you have. Like I have Google Chrome, so I'm using reason. Okay, fine. So okay, now guys, we just get a blank page like this. Go after a browser and just go and type Tiles Survive, and it'll come. Okay, you get this first link saying https tilessurvive.game.com. Right, just click on it, Tiles Survive, and then you get three options like this. Download for on the App Store, get it on Google Play, download for Windows. So you click on download for Windows and just go download unverified file. Then you go click on this PC, download Tiles Survive PC, and then yes, you click yes. So it get over here. So guys, it's loading right here. Tiles Survive installing 5% done. Okay, we'll just get back to it after it's done. So guys, that's it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you just have to click enter, like click the application for now. Like, okay guys, well, I'll be trying to upload more videos of playing Tiles Survive 2. Like I have a thought about that. Like I'm thinking to do that. So okay guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.